Hello everyone and welcome to Coin Engineer. Today I will show you how to use Etherscan and what types of information we can learn from it. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn notifications on. Now let's just jump straight into our video. So let's first have a look at its boring definition. Etherscan is a block explorer for the Ethereum blockchain. It allows users to easily search and browse transactions and blocks. It also provides information about each transaction and block, such as hash and timestamp. This was the boring definition. Now the simple and fun definition is that you can think Etherscan as the Google of Ethereum. You can find nearly anything about transactions on Ethereum network. And it's not just Ethereum itself. You can find info about all the tokens that is built on Ethereum network. So for example, you can see the audio token on CoinMarketCap. If you hover over on Explorer and choose Etherscan, we can see all the information about a specific token. So for example, we clicked on audio. We can see its maximum total supply and we can see how many holders it has. Right now, there are nearly 34,000 holders. We can see the total number of transfers. And when you click on holders, you can see the holders rank. So the first holder holds 34% of the all audio supply. And you can see its value. It's nearly $120 million. You can see all the different wallets and all the different holders. Also, we can see its token contract address and official site and also the social profiles. Now let's also have a look at TLM, the alien world. So as I said, hover over on Explorers and choose Etherscan. And we can see all the information, the price, the maximum total supply, the number of holders, as of now 4,516, and the total number of transfers. Again, if you click on holders, you can see all the holders of TLM. Also on the main page, you can see the main information about Ethereum. So Ethereum price, you can see this is the current Ethereum price. The market cap for Ethereum, total number of transactions, and this shows the transactions per second. You can see the last finalized block. You can see the medium gas price, and I will show you the gas prices for each website. So for example, I will show you how you can see the OpenSea sale gas price in the next phases of this video. So make sure you watch the video till the end. So if you hover over on blockchain, you can view the transactions. So click on this and we can see all the latest transactions. You can see its age 11 seconds ago. We can see from who to who. So for example, this one from this vault address to SushiSwap, or for this one from this vault address to Seaport. You can see the value for each transaction. So for example, this one was 0.5 Ethereum, but this one 0.006 Ethereum. You can see all the transactions here. You can also view pending transactions, contract internal transactions, blocks, fork blocks, and also top accounts and verified contracts. So if you hover over on tokens, you can see the ERC20 top tokens. So the first example, the first one is USDT. We can see its 24-hour volume. We can see its circulating market cap, on-chain market cap, and holders. So as you can see, there are nearly 4 million holders of USDT. You can also see the ERC721 tokens, top tokens, and also ERC1155 top tokens. So on the resources tab, you can see the charts and stats. So let's have a look at charts and stats. We can see the Ether daily price USD chart. We can see total supply market cap chart. We can see Ether market capitalization chart and also Ether supply growth chart. We can also have a look at the blockchain data. Now under more tab and under explore, you can see the gas tracker. So let's have a look at this. So here you can see the low, average, and high gas prices as of now. So it takes approximately 3 minutes on the average to process your transactions and it costs 46 cents. But also you can see the estimated cost of transaction action. So for example, if you're selling an NFT or buying an NFT on OpenSea, you would have to pay $1.58 on an average. You can see it depends on the action. So for example, Uniswap takes $4 on average. So it's nearly the 3 times of OpenSea gas price. For example, on busy networks and busy hours, for example, let's say this went up to $20, but you want to sell an NFT worth $30. So it wouldn't make sense to pay $20 for a transaction fee where you're trying to sell an NFT for $30. So you can check the gas price from here before you make any transactions to lose any money on the transaction and pay as less as possible gas fee. You can also paste wallet addresses here, random wallet addresses, to see how many tokens or which tokens they hold. So I just pasted a random wallet address and as you can see, it holds $1.35. We can see its latest transactions. So for example, the last one was a failed transaction. transaction and it took place 20 days and 13 hours ago. As I said, you can paste any Ethereum wallet address here and see its latest transactions, the tokens it holds, and the total Ether value. You can also use this section to write down ENS names. If you don't know what an ENS is, you can check out our video from the cards. If you bought any Ethereum name service domains, you can just type down it and search it. And as you can see, we can see its resolved address, which means the wallet address that holds the name, that owns the name. So for example, if I click on this, now we're looking at the wallet that owns Paradigm.Ethereum. We can see its latest transactions, we can see the value for each transaction, and we can see the total number of tokens and how much they worth in their wallets. If you have further questions regarding Etherscan and how to use it, you can ask us in the comments or in our Telegram channels. You can check out our Telegram channels from the links in the description box below. And I definitely recommend you join all of our Telegram channels because we share the latest updates and breaking news on our Telegram channels. We can also have a chat on our Telegram Global. You can ask any question in your mind and we will reply as fast as we can. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.